Hey guys, so today I wanted to do something colorful since I've been really sticking to everyday looks, so I decided to do something colorful today. And so what I used to get this look, I used the Modern Renaissance palette. So from here, I also used the Morphe 39A. These colors up here. I really like how this turned out. Let me know what you guys think, and if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Okay, so I must be starting off with my eyebrows, and I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in shade Ebony. This is my favorite thing for my brows. So I just start out by outlining my brows and then filling in the middle and tail. I don't like to fill in the inner part. I just make a line at the bottom and then grab a spoolie and just brush it out. After that, I'm taking the agave lip balm and putting that on my lips. Then the Benefit Porefessional, and I'm going to be applying this all over. I really like how this feels. It's a gel, and I really like to pat it into my skin. And after that, I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and I'm in shade Warm Beige and a small little concealer brush. And I'm going to be carving out my eyebrows. I kind of start off at the tail and then do the inner part. And I just start off with a light amount. And then I do the top part. And I like to work in small sections. That's just what works for me. And then I'm going to be taking that same concealer and applying it on my lids. I'm using this concealer as a base. I really like this concealer. It's full coverage, so that's why I use it as a base for my eyeshadow. Then I just blend it all in, and after that, I like to set it. I know some people don't like to set it because if you don't set it, it gives you a brighter effect, but I like to set it, so that's why I set it. Then I take the Modern Renaissance palette and shade Love Letter and put that on my outer corner and in my crease. I'm not being too precise. I'm just laying it in there. I just really want that pink look, so I'm just building it up. So I keep dipping back into the palette and grabbing more. Then I'm going to be taking Red Orchid and kind of blending the edges of Love Letter out. I don't want any harsh lines, so that's why I'm just focusing on the outer parts of the Love Letter and making it seem seamless. Then I'm taking the Morphe Dare to Create 39A palette, and I'm taking that pink shade at the top. And it's similar to Love Letter. I'm just, I feel like this shade is a little bit more pink. So I'm just basically putting it in the same places that I applied Love Letter in. And it's kind of just making it look more vibrant. But yeah, here I am just doing the other eye. And it's basically the same places I put Love Letter in. And after that, I'm going to be mixing those two shades right there and having a smaller, more dense brush. And I'm trying to keep that more in the outer corner and in my crease. I'm being more precise with this shade because I don't really want it to diffuse everywhere. I want it to be in the places I'm putting it and give you that gradient effect. So like since I'm putting it on the outer corner, that's going to be the darkest, and going towards the lid, it's going to be getting lighter. So you see me grabbing Love Letter here and just blending those two shades to make a nice gradient. And so yeah, the key is just blend, blend, blend. Then I'm taking the Too Faced Born This Way concealer again, and I'm using this to create a half cut crease. I love making half cut creases. They're my favorite. I don't really like doing full cut creases, but I love half cut creases. So here I'm just blending that with my finger. It just helps me blend the concealer with the eyeshadow. So I'm going to be taking Love Letter again and blending that darker shade Love Letter into the concealer to give you a nice gradient. So here you just see me doing that again, packing on the color. After that, I'm going to be taking my my Anastasia palette that I made, and I'm using the shade Macaroon. And I'm just placing that closer close to Love Letter, not really on the inner corner. But I really like this shade. It's a nice little purple. Then I'm going to be taking Vermeer and applying that in my inner lid. And here I am going back with Love Letter, kind of blending. And now I'm going to be taking the NYX Cosmetics Liquid Matte Liner and doing my eyeliner. I am doing a wing today. And after I do my eyeliner, I'm going to be taking Koko lashes in style Demi G. And using these. I feel like they're really dramatic and I really love these lashes. After that, I'm going to be taking Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Foundation and just applying it on my skin. And yeah. After that, I'll take the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer and I'm applying it on my under eyes, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead. I really love this concealer. It feels really light on the skin and it's so easy to blend. So that's why I really like it. After that, I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Peach Perfect Mattifying Loose Setting Powder and using it to bake. Then I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer and just contouring, bronzing my cheeks. And I'm also going to be cleaning up the contour with some more translucent powder and then dusting everything off and making sure I get everything, then setting my face with the All Nighter Setting Spray by Urban Decay. And here I am just like letting it dry. Then I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Glow Kit and I'm taking shade Butterscotch. It's such a really pretty color. These highlighters are like a bit more glittery than her normal highlighter or than the Amazing highlight. Then I'm going back in with Love Letter and I'm just putting that all on my lower lash line. Then taking the Benefit Bad Gal mascara and putting it on my lashes. This is my favorite mascara for my lower lashes. Okay, now I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in shade Aston. This is my favorite shade from all her liquid lips. And that's it, you guys. I didn't make an outro, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you love this look and also subscribe. Thanks.